Do not shop from Kazemode.
Do not buy shit from Kazemode.
Do not buy from Kazemode.
After seeing enough of y'all in the comments, yeah, they're definitely scamming people.
It is a total scam.
And essentially what they do is they just rip off designs from people.
Kazemode is a clothing brand that promotes shit that they stole from other people on the internet.
This one cost me like $80. This feels awful on my skin. The quality is horrible.
If you've seen ads from a brand called Kazemode, make sure you do not buy from them. In fact, if you've seen any anime fashion brands running ads on the video and you experience the comments being turned off, unable to go to the user's profile, and you're not able to comment when clicking on the profile picture, and the link just goes straight to the website instead of the profile, and sales and prices just seem too good to be true, you're probably looking at a scam. I've gotten hundreds of messages from people saying they ordered from these sites and they didn't get their items, or they just got a really bad quality version of the item. So think like Halloween costume material quality. We're talking $50 to $500 to $1,000 gone. No worries though, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how these scam brands operate. I'll be showing you the red flags and giving you the tools to protect yourself. Because I'm really tired of seeing people in the community getting ripped off. It's like mad annoying. We're covering Kazemode and a couple of other brands like Movie Plan, I believe its name is, and Rankin Street. And their new tactics of how they're basically impersonating brands like Steadyhand, which is crazy. If you care about where your money goes, make sure you watch this video. First, I want to acknowledge the people that may have fell for the scam because it's not your fault. You're scrolling through TikTok and you see these anime fashion ads and they look good. The website looks professional. The prices look incredible, like 50 to 75% off. They have reviews. They have pictures of happy customers. Finally, you found a brand that has quality anime fashion merch that you can afford. So you order from them, excited. You wait, and you wait, and you wait, and then nothing shows up. I ordered from Kazemode 3 months ago and still nothing. They took my money and they won't answer my email. But my bank doesn't believe me. This is happening to a lot of people in my community every single day. And it makes me like very frustrated and mad because I feel like a lot of people take advantage of the anime community, which is annoying, especially people who already have a hard time finding good quality anime merch. You know, they were desperate for an option. You know, we'll click on the ad when we see a fire piece of like JJK or a Demon Slayer hoodie just in time for the Demon Slayer movie. And they're definitely exploiting that. So let's talk about how they're doing it, starting with Kazemode. Because once you understand the playbook, start to see the pattern everywhere. So how Kazemode operates, step one, they run TikTok ads that they steal from legit brands like Steady Hands, Delinquents Truly, Otaku Shop, and a bunch of others. Let's say like an unboxing video or a product showcase. You notice comments are turned off. That's done intentionally. That's the number one red flag. Why would a legit brand turn the comments off? They wouldn't unless they're trying to hide something. And they'll basically repost it as their own ad. I'm actually really shocked that they haven't used my videos yet. Step two, their profile doesn't exist on social media. They have no social presence. If they have no social presence, that is really bad because they're hiding something. They probably don't want you to be able to see the comments saying from other customers saying they didn't get their orders and so on. Red flag number three, everything's on sale. They got buy one, get three free, buy three, get one free, 75% off, 50% off. Everything's on sale. If everything's on sale, it doesn't make sense unless it's like Black Friday or something. I feel like typically it's rare for every single thing to be on sale unless it's a special event. Like it's on sale 365 days a year. It's insane. I know if it's too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. Red flag number four, there's bad reviews. I would say search on Reddit, look on TikTok, Facebook, Google reviews, anything. Just search in Google and see if there's any bad reviews. I feel like you should do this with every single brand. Get in the habit of searching to see what is going on with them. And red flag number five, this is a big one. Make sure that the URL matches or makes sense with the website that you think you're going to. So for example, if you're going to Steady Hands, make sure it says like steadyhands.com. You know, make sure it's in sync with what you're buying or the website name or the company name. And the last thing I would recommend before buying from a brand, just regardless, if you're not doing this, get in the habit of doing this, is reverse image search it. Because if it's on other websites, you'll be able to see the difference between the two. Also, if there's a deal too, sometimes brands will carry the same thing. It's rare in the anime fashion space, but for other companies like Amazon and stuff, a lot of times other sellers will sell it. But do a reverse image search. I like to do a reverse image search and then put Instagram and then try to find the original Instagram account. And if there's comments and the comments look good. Like people are commenting, they're not saying, "Where's my stuff? Where's my order?" They're saying, "I ordered this. This is great. I love this piece, great quality." Things are looking good there. Okay, so here are some ways to protect yourself. The first thing what you want to do is you want to email whatever the scam brand is as soon as possible. Email them, try to get your money back, and make sure you're documenting everything. Like take pictures of everything, the website, what you order, information that you found about the website. Then what you want to do next is you want to contact your bank, give them all of the information that you found so that way you can dispute the charge. And I would say even take it a step further and get a new card or whatever, new account or whatever you ordered from, just to protect your information, because you don't know where this information is going. Like there could be a possibility where they could be saving your credit card information and might try to order from it later. You know, it's not a trusted site, so the possibilities are endless. Then what you want to do is leave a review. So if possible, leave a review on Google Reviews, leave a review on Reddit. If you feel confident enough, you know, make a video on TikTok. Doing this helps other people, prevents them from getting scammed. So that's why I'm making this video. I've made a video about other anime scam brands in the past just because I don't want this to happen to anybody. So if you could leave a review, that will help people in the community. And I would truly appreciate it because I get it. It's scary, but people will really appreciate it because you never know who you can help. And then after that, share it with your friends. Ask your friends if they could share it, because then it'll be able to get out there more and more. So more people get knowledgeable. I've shut down, well, I don't know if I shut down, but I feel like I shut down other anime sites. And I feel like with everyone's help combined, we can also take down this site as well. Then if you want like a more detailed list on, you know, how to protect yourself and red flags and things like that, I made an entire ebook that you can check out. All you gotta do is sign up for my newsletter. If you're not signed up to my newsletter, why not? That's crazy. But also inside of this ebook or PDF, I don't know really what to call it, is I put 10 officially licensed brands that I love, and I think overall well designed and pieces, quality pieces that will last. And it supports different budgets. It supports different size ranges. Like one big thing is people are always asking me for, you know, more size inclusive brands, which I'm aware of. They're just a little harder to find, which is annoying. But there's even brands on there that go all the way up to 7XL, all the way down to extra, extra, extra small, which, you know, I think is pretty rare. Put the link in the bio. And then since we're talking about scam brands, why not talk about an officially licensed brand that I think everybody would love is Anime Gear Guru. Anime Gear Guru is known for their amazing anime inspired jackets. They have collaborations with Soul Eater, Full Metal Alchemist, Kill la Kill, and of course their most recent one, Naruto, which I'm super excited for. I got the Kashi jacket. Hold on, don't come for me. I mean, the Shinobi jacket, whatever. Make sure you check out Anime Gear Guru, and if you do order something, use the code Anti-Weeb for 10% off. The link is also in the bio for you guys. I get it. We want affordable quality anime merch. And when you see an ad that promises that, it's very tempting to buy it, you know, to buy it or even to click buy. But the reality is these scam brands are counting on you to do an impulse buy. So make sure you do your research. Even when I recommend something, make sure you always do your research. Get in the habit of doing research to protect yourself. But that's why I made this video. And the only way to stop them is to be a smart shopper. By doing your research and sharing information with each other. If you want to know if there's any more brands that are legit, put them in the comments. I'll be sure to check them out and do another video of them. And if you're not sure, just message me. I might not get to it right away, but I'll get to it as soon as I can. But if you guys can hit that like button so this could spread to the anime community,